You got the swag sauce, you drippin' swag, do. Ooh.
I may be young, but I'm ready. Like doves in the wind. Pussy like doves in the wind.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianna Nicole and I want to thank you guys for watching. So today I'm going to be reviewing this unit on my head. It's from an Amazon company called Buladou hair. I'm going to put it right here also just for reference, and it's also in the title. So the clip before you guys did see me unbox the wig and show what the caps look like in the inside, so I'm not going to talk about that. But the price of the wig is $80. It is on Amazon like I said, and it does have longer units. But yeah, the curl pattern of this hair was so cute when I first took it out the box. I really didn't want to wet the hair because it just reminded me of, like, I don't know how to describe. The curl pattern was just so cute, but this isn't wet. It's still like a little damp. But I really love this curl pattern. It's so cute. So this wig is 10 inches. So pulling it in is like right there. And yeah, so with tangling and shedding, I'm going to run my fingers through it because I always do a live test of tangling, shedding. So I'm not getting any tangles. Oh, there goes the snag. I say that, but that's the only one. shedding through that, I got just this one piece. If you can see that. That's it for this review part. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Comment down below and I will answer them. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Bye, y'all.
I would wait for your boss. Don't be late, no, no.